It is currently 12:11 a.m. and I have just now finished what is going to be my Project 5 submission. For this project, we had to add in a model that we found online somewhere or made ourselves. Um, Obviously, a sphere was the first thing I did. I made it purple, added some shading to it, like the diffuse, ambient, specular, um, and I added shadow mapping to the light, so obviously these have shadows now. Um, but a sphere doesn't really do all that much. So the second thing I did was add in effects to the cubes, but we'll get there in a second because I think something is kind of sus right now. I created this Amogus character and put it in the world. Um, all three colors on here are actually different textures, so I could edit them as I please. And then I saw that I could put text in the world. So I added some text above the Amogus character, and it follows the camera around. So as the camera spins around in a circle anywhere in the world, it will face me. Also, this little sphere that circles my head uh, will circle my head wherever I am. I actually got to use some basic trigonometry to do the amogus and the sphere. Now, the thing I did to test out some of the texturing stuff I could do and shader stuff was I edited the cubes. So the cubes would normally just, I press the button and they spawn in at a random place, random rotation, random size. So now I also randomized a bunch of other things on them. So we'll see some of the other things that I've randomized. Okay, so my computer doesn't seem to like all the cubes that I've added in, but if we look at them, we can see that some of them have multiple of the cube texture on them. And I just made a random number that goes from 1 to 10, and it will put that many on there. Also, each face of the cubes has a chance to be rotated. Obviously, this one isn't rotated too much, but they can be rotated in all three axes. Um, some of them look a little cooler, like this one. Some of them are still seeable. This one obviously looks more wonked, um, if that is a word. And then there's others like this one and that one that are just, the texture isn't even recognizable anymore. Project 5 seems kind of sus.